Let's go to the beach, dude. We go to the beach?
Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, cause you know we gon' fly.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the treehouse. Thanks for joining us for season 3 of THC Vlogs. It is vlog number 21 and we're here at Magic Sands. It's this one's birthday and we're headed to Waikoloa to go check out our presidential suite at the Hilton. So it's getting late. We better head out of here. See you there.
Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor.
What's up, guys? We made it here to the Hilton Waikoloa. Birthday girl's getting a massage and I gotta set up a surprise birthday lunch thing. Happy birthday to you. Water's nice. Probably jump in the pool a little bit later. Hopefully we see the dolphins.
Dolphin. A baby dolphin.
A baby dolphin?
A mommy
You
dolphin.
saw mommy dolphin too?
A daddy dolphin.
Aww.
Darling kitties. Darling.
I thought that was a mirror. That's totally not a mirror. That's a dining room. For the elusive Hoya birds.
What's happening? Help. It's just such a fail. When your hotel has no...
Should it be like a romantic song? Like an Italian down the river kind of song?
Off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is us made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. Down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. Never really know when you're gonna go. Why you gotta put another foot in front of yours? Bury them toes, carry them close. I was never one to care about my mentos. I was like froze, now I'm on floor. Give me that smoke, but I can't get high. We do the most, here to inspire. Doing what I'm supposed, but I can't get tired. Run for your life every night. See in the dark, blind by the light. I got the spark, I got the pipes. All of my arts coming to life. Had to face my fears while I chased my peers, and I found my spot. About time that I found myself. I've been out here walking that walk.
All right, and we are out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed. We had so much fun filming it. Remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and don't miss out. I don't want you guys to miss out on anything. There's plenty more adventures to come. A lot of fun here at the Hilton in Waikoloa. It's time to head back to Kona and go check on Lono Boy. Thanks for tuning in, guys. For more videos, go ahead and click right here. And if you want to subscribe, go ahead and click right there. Have a good one.